Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kayla, Crafty Pimpo Mama. So this video is a project share. So I've been working with Creative Path now for quite a while. And shortly before Christmas, they sent me this collection called Merry Sweet. I will link the video where I share all the products, but here are a few pink pastels with some gold. And it's like a Christmas theme, but more of a winter theme, if that makes sense. There's candles and snowflakes and roses and, drinks, decorations, snow globes. There are Christmas words like Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. No, that can be non-Christmas. Ho, 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 so. This was the die cut pack. So there's a few of the items. Like I said, I will link the video showing all the products in the description box for you guys to check out. This glare from a light, I'm so sorry. I've got to figure out what to do about this. But I wanted to come on and share what I created. So a lot of times I make embellishments when I get collections. But this time I wanted to make something a little bit more than just embellishments. Not that embellishments are not enough. I love to make embellishments. A lot of us do. So I decided this time to make a little album. So I guess it's like an embellishment book, you could say. So this is what I created. So I did use a die from Coco and Reno that cuts out these little disc holes for the discs. These discs I actually got at the Dollar Tree. They were pink, but the pink wasn't the right pink for this collection, so I spray painted them gold. So yeah, I went in and made some pages, and then made some embellishments. I love this. Look at the penguins, like the penguins in the sweaters, so cute. And then a doily die for my background piece, a little ruffle piece, and then there's like some chipboard embellishments there. There's one of the ephemera from the collection. And this sparkle and shine. It was one long piece, but it stuck off my page. So I did cut it. I'm hoping it doesn't look funny the way it's cut. And then it also came, well, I don't have them out, epoxy, like enamel dots, and then like diamond gem stickers. So I did just a little cluster of the green there to bring in the green, and then a little pink cluster here. Got the little heart with gold on the little, it's like a birdhouse. Love it. So then here on the first page, I used some word embellishment, some word dies that I have with the backgrounds, and just used some of the coordinating paper from this collection. I did winter, snow, and burr. I wasn't too sure about this black paper with the deer, but I actually like how it came out. And then I used some of the epoxy stickers, and then some puffy stickers from the collection, just to decorate the page a little bit. And then over here are some snowflake rosettes. I used a die I had to make these rosettes, again with coordinating paper. And then these are the shaker stickers. And I wanted to mention, a lot of times when you get these from other random brands, when you go to peel the sticker off, the backing of the sticker comes off completely, and then your confetti goes everywhere. Like, I don't know, it doesn't adhere the right way. It's like they put it together on the backer sheet, and like, I don't know, they usually fall apart. And the edges come undone really easy, and you lose your confetti, and then it's not a shaker anymore. But these came off really well. I love them. Used it as just a little decoration for the rosettes. These are little ornaments. There's a snow globe in here, and then another round one with a rose and a polar bear. Super cute. So I used those there. This was a sticker, I believe. No, maybe it was a chipboard. Yes, a chipboard. Yes, from the chipboard embellishments. Super cute. And that background, I just love it, with the roses and the polar bears, the little wolf and the deer. And I didn't even mean to do this, but they're all like, it's like they're all popped out in the middle right there. Super cute. And then my next page. So I created this die, this embellishment, using the papers from this collection. It's got a little fuzzy beard made out of this a faux fur ribbon, instead of just flat paper. So it's like he's standing here, in front of the pocket. I added this pink clip just to help hold the tags in. So this tag came with the collection as well, and I thought it was really pretty. I may go in and do some embossing on the snowflakes to give it texture, but I just added a couple of gems. I thought it was pretty like that, and just added some trim, satin gold edged trim on there. See if I can get that back in. And then this was a tag as well. I just added some little enamel stickers, and then the puffy sticker, and then some seam binding for the top. And then this was also a tag. It was a star and tree shaped, gold. So I just did some little dots for like decorations. I did this little candle chipboard piece, and then just tied in some yellow seam binding as its little topper. I thought that was super cute. You can write on these. So I left the back's blank. And then over here are some embellishments I created. I did show these on a different video, but I used the paper that matches this collection, so I wanted to have them in this book. So I've got them adhered on with a little glue dot. Yeah. So I took a little paper ruffle, and then layered up all my pieces with some white sticking out there. Did my little flower, and added a little XOXO. So this one has the flower, and then it goes out, and this one's the flower, and it goes that way. So they do coordinate, but they're a little different. That one says warm wishes. If you can see that good. And then I just decorated it with some, that was a chipboard piece, some epoxy dots, puffy sticker, and an embellishment sticker chipboard there. And then the next page are some little cookie looking embellishments I created. Oh, I didn't put my little clip back on. My tags, it wanted to fall out the way it was in there, so I just used that. So I did, okay, so I made these. I believe I showed these on a different video also, but I thought the green and the pink went well. And then there's browns in this collection, so I just went ahead and included them here. Oh, I'll have to fix this little nose. Okay, I thought his nose was messed up. Okay. So I just kept the page simple. I liked the snowflakes on the wood grain back piece, so I just left that. And then the last page, I made a little pocket here, and let's see, I used this. It was a Happy Holidays sticker. I put it on some gold vellum and then trimmed it out. Used some little pom-pom decoration there from the sticker book. A little banner piece that says Share the Joy. And then I have this little bow clip holding it in place. And in this pocket, there is this little journaling card. That was super cute. And this one says bright with a rose, and then picture perfect. So you could put a picture there or write whatever you wanted to do. So I'm thinking whoever receives this can take out the embellishments, maybe reuse them in the same book, but add pictures. Maybe write on these, have holiday pictures in there. Who knows? And then this one has the cute little wolf, the candles. He's wearing a little toboggan that is so cute. And then that says happy. And then I tucked in a little ephemera piece, Season's Greeting. And then this little polar bear ephemera piece. I just thought he was cute, sticking out back there. And then let's see if I can get my bow back on. Oh, there we go. Just to help hold those in place. And then the back, I just left plain and put my little sticker on there. Handmade with love, Crafty Pen Pal Mama. So yeah, I like how it came out. I think it's super cute. Good and chunky. And I hope you guys like it. And if you've made it this far in the video, I want to do a giveaway. So I want to give away this album to somebody. I hope someone who really likes it will win this. So I want you to tell me, first of all, regardless of if you want to enter, tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you like it. And then to be entered in the giveaway, I want you guys to tell me what the best gift you received for Christmas was. So that will enter you in the giveaway by answering that question. So just put that in your comment down below. And then in like a week or so probably, I will do a video to draw a winner. And the winner will receive this. I'll probably tuck in some more ephemera pieces. Maybe some stickers that coordinate. Some paper, maybe a few papers so that they can add to it if they like. Add pockets, flaps, you know, whatever. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below with what I mentioned before if you want to enter the giveaway for this little album I made. And that's it for this video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.